In this video, we're gonna learn how to create professional YouTube banner with proper size. If we go to Channels Customization, in the banner section, we will see there is different section for different devices. So, you have to know the proper size of these boxes, because you can't change the picture size here. You can only decrease the picture size, which won't fit for all the devices. Now let's go to Photoshop to understand the proper sizing of the YouTube banner. I have already made an outlook of the banner size. You have to know that the total size of a YouTube banner is 2560 by 1440. This full size will be shown when a user will see this banner in the TV. Next, this white part size is 1546 by 423 pixel. It will be shown to all the devices like phones or tab. Lastly, this whole rectangle size is 2560 by 423, which is shown to the laptop or desktop users. This red and white part is very important because most of our viewers watch our videos from phones or desktop. And to create those rectangles for proper sizing, just click on this rectangle. Then click left button of the mouse and use the height and width, as shown in the picture, to create the rectangles. You can use this fill option to change the rectangle's color. Now, I will use this background for the whole banner. So, drag the banner to the canvas. I have to resize it according to the canvas. I need to decrease the background's opacity, so that I can see the rectangle size properly. As this section is shown to all device users, I must use my image to this section. So, I am using this picture. I've copied the picture over this background layer. I won't use the full picture. So, I am creating a new layer under this image layer. Click on this rectangle section. Select circular shape. Click Ctrl plus Shift and drag the mouse with left click. I am keeping this shape this much. Now, click on the image layer. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. So, the picture will be shown inside the circle. Now, I need to position the image according to the shape. That's it. I think it's looking fine. Now, I want to add a background color to this circle. To do this, select the shape layer. Click on this rectangle option in the layer. Select dark blue color. Then click OK. Now I want to use a border to the circle. So, right-click on the shape layer, blending option, and choose stroke. I am selecting the white color from the color section. I am keeping the stroke size to 10. Then hit OK. I am positioning the image to the end of this white rectangle, so that it will be visible to all the devices. Also, decreasing the image size a little bit, to match with the rectangle size. I think it's looking fine. On the left side of this image, I want to add some quote to attract the audience. So, let's copy and paste a beautiful quote. Remember, it shouldn't exceed this section, lest mobile users won't see this. Now, I want to add a rectangle under this text to highlight the text. To do this, create a new layer under this text layer. Go to the Shape section. Select Rectangle. Draw the rectangle with the same size of the white rectangle. I am increasing the opacity of the background. Select the rectangle layer. Double-click on this square icon. Click on this eyedropper tool. Now, I am selecting this color from the background to match the white rectangle. Click OK. I want to add a texture to this rectangle. To do this, right-click on the layer. Then Blending option. Then choose Texture. I am keeping the scale and depth setting. Hit OK. Under this section, I will add a subscribe and bell icon. So, I am copying a subscribe button and a bell icon. I am placing them to the center of this rectangle. It's looking great, isn't it? Now, I will add a blue overlay over this background. So, let's create a new layer over the background layer. Click on rectangle and select blue color. Drag the rectangle to the whole canvas. Change the blend mode to overlay. I am keeping the opacity to 51%. Now it's looking more deep. Now, in the bottom part, I want to add some website or social media links. So, create a new layer over this background layer. Click on the rectangle and select white color. Drag the rectangle to the bottom area. Here, I am writing my website link. You can use your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter link if you want. Now, I want to add some brightness and saturation to make the banner eye-catching. So, click on the uppermost layer. Click on this adjustment button and select brightness and contrast. I am increasing the brightness a little bit. Again, click on the adjustment button. Select hue and saturation. Increase the saturation a little. At last, I want to add a white border to this rectangle to match with this circular border. To add the border, click on the rectangle layer. Right-click. Then blending option. Choose stroke. Keep the stroke to 10. Hit OK. So, now the banner is ready. Let's check on the channel's customization. So, when we uploaded the banner, you can see, the banner have perfectly fitted with all the sections. You don't need to resize it here. After uploading the banner, it will look like this on TV. In the smartphone, it will look like this. At last, the banner will look like this on laptop. So, that's why, making banner with proper size is very important. That's it, guys. I hope you have understood the tutorial. We will see you in the next video.